You can literally see the difference. Hey guys, this is Reg and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how I clean this Louis Vuitton monogram transparent bag. This was given to me by my mother-in-law. I checked the retail price of this and it's $3,600. So I haven't used this because, you know, I have a lot of stuff. So I had my friend make a customized pouch for this one. At least you won't see what's inside. This is what it looks like on a clear and closer view. See how dirty it is? Yeah, so this is a limited edition 2012 Louis Vuitton bag, and let's see what we can do about it. So let's clean it now. I'm gonna clean it with this Bally cleaner. So I got this from Bally, Paris. This is a universal cleaner for all types of smooth leather, suede, and synthetic fabric. So as you can see, it has some stains over here, and it's kind of dirty because white gets easily dirty, right? This is mesh nylon, I think, so I can brush this using an extra soft toothbrush and Cetaphil, I guess. Oh, this is just an experiment, but this product is already proven because I use this in my shoes, white leather shoes. It says here that you need to shake well and spray evenly at the distance of 6 inches. Scrub with the sponge and remove the dirt with a clean cloth. So I have a mini sponge here and a cloth. Let's try to check this out first. I'm gonna spray at least 6 inches away. I'm gonna start in the bottom. See? The dirt is here already. This is really effective. Can you see that? This is the dirt from the bag. After wiping all that out, I'm gonna use white cloth. See? There's an improvement already. Again, let's spray 6 inches away. Or part of this one is a scratch, so this won't come off, I guess. I don't know if you can see the difference, but it's definitely whiter now. But the purple stain here, I don't know where this came from, but it's not removing. Yep, just compare this side to this side. It's getting off. Just compare the color of this one to this one. This is so white now and this is like yellowish. So this one, as you can see, is so dirty. Here and here. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it all together. I'm gonna use white cloth so you can see. This is clean. Ta-da! The dirt literally came out. See? Let's do this sponge pop. Oh my gosh! Look at the stain! You can see for yourself now. This is the clean one. This is not. So look at the color. Look at the color! You can literally see the difference. Yup! This is working! Okay, so I'm gonna clean this one with Cetaphil and I'll be right back and then show you the before and after. It's the dirty side and this is the clean side. There's a very minimal difference. This is the dirty side. This is the clean side. I think I can use this now, but I'm gonna go get these clean first and I'm gonna wrap my scarf around here. I'm gonna show you again how effective this Bally cleaner is. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt there. Let me give you a closer look. have a white cloth and gonna wipe it off. It's so effective. I now have a clean monogram transparent Louis Vuitton. It's like I just bought it, right? I totally recommend you guys buying this Bally cleaner. I'm just gonna put in the description box below where I got it. But yeah, I got it in Paris. I think they're selling this online, so get yours now. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. See you!